Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's vlog we're going to Costco, and I thought I'd share my day with you guys. I've got my kids as always in the car. Yeah, so we're gonna go and pick up my husband from work because he's still at work. He's gonna finish, or he's finished. He's probably gonna be ringing me any moment. So but yeah, we're headed there to pick him up, and then we're headed to Costco. From there, we just want to spend our day with you guys. So basically, if you're interested, keep watching and let's get started. But obviously I'm gonna go now because I'm running a bit late. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drive. I'll see you guys in a minute. So we met him on the way. He's left work. We couldn't meet up. So this is this area of Newcastle. If you haven't already seen, this is the St. James's Stadium where all the football happens and all the people goes every Saturday to go raving and all. So yeah, here you are. Hi, how was your day?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, so we're gonna head out now because we are on the middle of the road, as you can see. Guys, take a moment and look at my husband's hair though. His hair is like
What, it's because I gelled it?
his hair is really long,
hey,
like but I'm gonna do something with it. Watch out for the video. We're gonna do like either braid it or cut it, you know, something, just do something to it. But yeah, here we are. I know, look at those ugly black heads on my forehead. They're just this. I don't know what to do, how to get rid of them. I've been trying to. If anybody have any suggestion on how to get rid of blackheads that are so stubborn, please leave your comment down below, because I am fed up of this. I know it has to do with pregnancy, but this right here, I'm sick of it. I couldn't be asked today to conceal it because I was running late. I didn't do so much makeup, but yeah, I need to get rid of it. Anyway, so we're stuck on traffic waiting to get going. Costco is about 20 minutes drive. Is it 20 minutes? About 15-20 minutes drive.
Traffic and all
so about 15-20 minutes drive. So we're gonna head there. We're gonna follow the bypass, which is a bit closer because the other side is a little bit far. But yes, bro, put it on. Anyway, Shane is just always singing some kind of entertainment going on. So Costco wholesale, going from there, and yeah. Look here on her drama. So there you go. It's not watching. Oh, doesn't it look like the guy from Hollyoaks? Anyway, I normally like to park around this area because I don't even know why. Well, because it's closer to going in and coming out, because I don't want to be having to walk around all over the place. Because I've got children. Oh, there's one here, so I'm just gonna...
Yeah, it's back up then.
Finally parked in Costco, and we're gonna get ready to head out now. And I'll see you guys when we get there. Big sister pushing little bro. At all. Oh, here we are.
I mean that one.
Oh, this is a trick they do in Costco. So now you saw this price. I thought it was $129.99, but when you look at it underneath, it's actually $155.98. So they will make it look like the big number is the price, but then the VAT will just make it go so high. So this is one thing you need to watch out when you shop in Costco. You need to watch out that the price you're paying is actually what you saw on the display. These amazing cameras, and I'm thinking that one or that one. That is actually really nice. But I'm thinking of investing in a camera anytime soon. But then this little flimsy one, it's got a really good memory. I mean, display, 20 megapixels. Only 8 inches. Look at these beautiful outdoor sitting. It's like $2,000. And this is just beautiful. Feels so good. Anyway, we're just gonna go into the food hall now and get a few things from there because we need to buy so many items, but not so much, but for the party. So this is the food hall where they have all the bakery, bits and bobs, meat. Try some pastries. Oh, we have some good mushroom here. But this is like the 6 pounds. I really like that. It will be it as well. Market. That was really nice. We're getting nappies and stuff for Shane because we normally like to stock up every time we come here so that sorry,
That's okay.
so that we don't need to come all the time. But yeah, I normally get them from here. Have you seen the price of it is gone up?
Yeah, it's 13
The £18 now, it used to be 10.
So I'm just wondering right now.
That gets me thinking. I don't know. Well, we'll just get it, but I need to look around next time because it's normally £10 and now it's gone up, so it's a little bit ridiculous because don't nobody got time to be throwing money about.
We get one, it's like £3 more than usually it costs.
Yeah, we need it, so I will get this. So checkout time. We haven't really got much, but it's pretty much what we need.
I like how you say not much, it's a full trolley.
We buy a lot more than this sometimes. But yeah, we're just at the checkout now. That's it. Pretty much. So guys, we're done from Costco and we're just gonna head out now because I am tired. I feel like I'm gonna be sick. I don't know why. I just went in there and I felt so like nauseous and everything. But yeah, I guess it's what comes with, you know, baby and all that. But yeah, we're going to get some petrol from the Costco petrol petrol station, and then we're gonna go to a little shop just to buy a few things. Then we might also go to Lidl today, so watch out if we do go. I might cover that, but if not, then it will be tomorrow because I don't have all that strength. Like I underestimate myself. Like I know I used to be so energetic before and everything, but now I am getting tired. Do not laugh at me, yeah?
Overestimate yourself.
So, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But first of all, we're gonna go grab some food to eat. So let's go to petrol station, food, and then to Home Bargain, and then off we go. Which woman out there, anyone else,
I bet you
except me? I know I'm not the only one that doesn't know much about car. In as much as I drive, I don't know much stuff. I only just found out what suspension meant yesterday, and my husband is laughing at me. Okay, don't laugh at me because the struggle is real. In as much as I drive, I just get into it and I go from one place to another. I do not know what is what in a car. I mean, I know a few things, don't get me wrong. I put petrol and all those things, but like I don't know like suspension, gear. Well, I know gearbox.
You better when you
Don't laugh at me, okay? You know, all these big words that they speak, like I don't know what they are, okay? So don't judge me. But anyway, we are in another outlet, like a shopping mall kind of thing, but more like on the road. So we're just gonna head into that shop and get a few things that we need, and that's it pretty much. But yeah, I need to put my... See, I can do all this. What are you on about? I just don't know what suspension meant until I saw it in action yesterday, and someone was explaining it a lot better. I used to watch this program on TV called Top Gear as well, but it stopped showing. They used to show a lot of things about cars, and it was quite interesting. And I had interest in it at the time, but since they stopped showing it, I don't know what else. I just, you know, go with whatever. So yeah. He need to stop laughing at me. You know that home store where you have like a lot of bits and bobs. Give me the rub. So we're just gonna look for a few things that we need. But here you can get carried away and buy like... This is more like Dollar Tree shop, if you like, but it's not dollar price. I mean like pound land kind of thing. These are... Prices are a little bit higher here, but they do have a lot of things. So we're just gonna go ahead and see what we can get.
get a nice poster.
So what, you wanna get it? You see, look, swimming pool. You don't wanna get these? Look, they have trampoline as well. They have all kinds of things. Oh, 12 fruits, 439. Is this not what we need? Is this the same thing that we have?
For the lightning liver.
Oh, babe, look, they have barbecue.
Yeah, grill.
We need to buy a new one.
Yeah.
Anyway, so you do get like all these like food. Right. Oh, these are cheap.
I feel like it was cheaper last time, wasn't it?
Should I get white one? Yeah, white one. I need these. I need these to put like flowers in. Yeah. Can I have these $2.99 or not? It's only cheap.
Well, it's like 3 in them in one.
Yeah, you're getting pound for one. Yeah?
Yeah, it's kind of something about it.
I might get a few things that I need here.
Well, you wanted the soup that you guys bought last time?
No, bro, that was... I didn't even eat it. We came here for just one thing, but look, so far we've got a full basket and we might go get another basket. This is the first aisle. We just haven't left the first aisle, walking all the way from there. So we have the rest of the aisles to go. This is what happens when you come to shops like this. You end up just buying much more than you bargained. But yeah, I'm just waiting for the man to come with the price of an item that I want to get. So as you know, I've got my side of my bedroom that needs sorting out. So I've just spotted this here, and it's £129, and it's just perfect for the space I've got. So I think I am definitely coming to get this, and I've got a big one as well, so you can get the whole set. That one, and that one is absolutely beautiful. But yeah, I think I'm gonna invest in it. I love it. I'll come for it. So yes, we are still here shopping, but I found a huge bargain. God, you will never believe it. Something beautiful that I really wanted. He's tired, he's had enough. Everybody's ready to go home. But yeah, we're gonna go to grab some food now, and then we'll go home. Yeah, and that's it for the day, because yeah, it's been a hell of a day. So we decided to go to KFC because the kids wanted KFC anyway. So we're there now. We're just gonna grab something to eat, and then we're just gonna go home. Shannon, what are you kicking off? What have you done to your ball? You're so silly. But yeah, we're going into KFC now, and then we're gonna go home. So guys, we're finally home. We just got home like 2 minutes ago. It's been an eventful day. We had a good time, and it's tiring. We're supposed to go to another shop, but can't go now because everybody is tired. I just want to go home and relax. Yes, Shane, I understand. Look at you. Sweetie, okay, I understand. You want to come out. Daddy, I think he wants to come out. So yeah, that's it pretty much. Let me not continue to bore you guys. But yeah, we're home. Time to settle in and just relax and enjoy the rest of the day. But I do hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day as well. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Sharon, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye, everyone. Say bye-bye. Not really. He's gone. So I'll see you guys. Bye.